From the last video, we learned the .load method to get date column data to our journal entries. Such technique can be applied to other columns as well. So in this video, we'll learn how to create a general function for reusable task. Again, given the difference in accounting practice, the accounting logic described in this series of tutorials is only for demo purposes. It might be different based on your location. Concepts covered here is meant to be minimalistic. I'm not held responsible for any errors, incomplete or misrepresented information, and or any harmful effects associated with the materials in my video. By watching this video, it's assumed that the viewers bear all the risk, both current and potential losses associated with this video. Okay, enough for disclaimer. Let's dive in. Let's say instead of date, we look for accounts whose column name is ACCT. So we should expect to get the withdrawal bank GL here, this one, 3026 for the first journal entry. That means when we change the column name here, let's say we want to return the amount this time. I remember the amount was a bit wrong. Here you see the withdrawn amount, $100 for journal entry 1. These should be -100 for position 2, -100 for position 2, and -100 for position 5. For journal entry 2, -200 for position 2 and 5. So let's go back to this cell and change what we assigned before. Look up for the amount positions, multiply -1 to the withdrawn amount. Here at position 2, do the same for position 5. Control Enter. Then we have -100 for JE1 at position 2. Here we notice some pattern in the date lookup example we did in our last video. That's why we'll make a function for us to perform similar lookup task. Simply change what we did for the date lookup case. Here we name our function getDF. Add the return keyword here. Let's add an attribute called source table to refer to the source table. It is a string. It's purely optional, but it's highly recommended that you specify the data type here. In this case, it's a string. Now we need to specify the result, which is called current table. In this case, it's journal entry number, JETB. So we put current table here. We also need to specify the position column. So we set a post attribute here, and the column name is a string. The JE column is a key column. Let's put it up front. We also need the target column, that is the date, the amount, or the account. So we put the target column here. Now we change this to the source table. And it's looking up from the current table's key column. We keep the index part as it is generic in every function. Now we change the date here as it is our target column. Remember, when we want to make the target column changed dynamically, we need to add a curly brace like this. Change JETB to be the result, current table, and also the position column. Usually, I'll use a square bracket here for the column. Use a curly brace to wrap a variable, which is the position column. Then it will look up based on the position number. Okay, now we use this function to return the date column. GetDF, where the source table is DF, current table, which is my result, journal entry, JETB. For the key column, it will be the JE column in the JETB table. Position column is post, that is the post column in JETB. Okay, what is our target column? Here we put date. Control Enter. Oops, something wrong in our code. Just figure that out. Here it says data frame has no attribute key column. I think the problem is here. Let's change it like this. Try again. Okay, now we can use the function. Instead of date, we put in amount. There we go. Let's try account. And it shows the GL accounts. Okay, let's move on. Change it back to data frame. Just get rid of these working cells. Instead of coding the function here, as we can't run from the back inside the same assignment, so we just assign to the JETB table again. The date column will be equal to the getDF function, where the source table is DF, current table is JETB, which is our result table. The key column is JE, and post for position column. Simply put date for the target column as we are looking up for the date column data. Shift Enter. Oops, doesn't work. Oh, I see. Because we call the function before we make it. Just get rid of it and do that underneath. Equal py, jetb equal to jetb.assign, date equal to it, comma, copy the function for the account column. Change it here for account and amount. Change this one to amount and this one to account. Call jetb again and control enter. Come here and select Excel value. And you'll see the date, account, and amount are cast to jetb now.